got a bit more shorter, so easy to cook and quick to do the thing. All right. It's already okay, this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Kapuna ka. Shishay. Maraming salamat po. Gracias, amigos. Okay. There you go, guys. Done. Okay, my husband wanted mo to get ice cream, so we don't have viewers yet. Here, ice cream muna. Commercial muna, guys. Ice cream muna. Hazelnut. Okay, I'll show you. Ice cream. I'm good. Ice cream. Commercial muna tayo, guys. Okay na to. This is good now. Sarap ng ice cream, oh. It's a hazel connoisseur plant-based. Hazelnut chocolate. Thanks, babe. Okay na to. Oops, eh. Ice cream. Yummy. Yum, yum. That's it. Commercial muna, ha? Okay na to? Is it good now? Masarap. Ice cream. Now it's done. Go back to cooking. Okay na yan, guys. That's enough now. There's a pumpkin. Let's go with the other one. Oh boy, what's happened? Go all over. Oh. That's crazy. Sorry, guys. My mobile tripod is just do whatever you want to do. So anyway, just gonna put you here, guys. Okay. This is crazy. This is crazy one. You just go whatever you want to go. So here is our carrots. Put number 6 because the carrots is softer now. I might probably need some more water. Anyway, let's gonna put some more water here after this. So here is our pumpkin. It's gonna put this kalabasa now, pumpkin. Okay. Shishi, guys. Thank you. Kamustas 1 million viewers. Hello. So here's our veggies from our yard. I'm going to cut it and then I put this in there soon. Thank you. So I'm gonna probably put 1 onion, small one of course, and then 1 big kamatis here. We wash them, and then 1 onions and some of these greeneries that we took organic from our yard, and our spring onions, really nice and thick. Ooh, don't pull now. And the rest of the snake beans that left over because soon is autumn, so it's actually in autumn here now. Wala yung ating 1 viewer, guys. Asan na yun ay? Yeah.